Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters, and today we are going to give our cheap diesel a little optional extra. Well, yeah. We're hoping to.
It's this really. Now we fitted one of these before and it didn't have this little down thing.
It didn't now.
So we've looked in the shed and we found this one, what we think was off a
E36, which we purchased that in about 2010 for, that was priceless sum of a fiver.
We brought a fiver.
A fiver.
And it didn't fit the E34, does it?
No.
It didn't fit the E34, so we thought maybe one day we might need it.
So we're going to test fit our cheap interior auto dip mirror and hopefully it's going to work.
Now, when you're buying an auto dip mirror, you can tell one because I've got that little bit there and that little bit there, really.
That's right.
So when the car's from behind, you're shining on that, and I think that sensitive dark, and it sort of makes the mirror go blue. It's quite cool. So today might be the day that we brought this for all them years ago.
Yes, it was always destined to go into
the dirty diesel.
So this is a simple one. So there's a little clip, you get your nail in it and it pops out. Just put it there, clips out, put it to one side, and then you'll then see the wiring, because this one hasn't got the auto dip mirror, but it's alarmed up, so it uses that as a feed for one of the sensors. So we're going to pull it out. Well, hopefully, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn your anti-clock just to give me a bit more space. I'm going to pull it out like that, as you do, and just like that. So nothing to it. When you refit it, push it in, pull it out, and I'm going to fit that back on.
Stop to the end to see if the alarm still works.
Hopefully it does. So click it in again, nothing. Right, so because we've got anti-clock, we need to clockwise,
and make sure it's butted up against the window.
It is. Oh, it's going to go like that. Now it's on. Now I'm not going to put the trim back in yet
until the alarm works,
and we'll know if it's going to work, because the central locking, if it's not going to work, the central locking will not work on the car. If the central locking works, then we're good to go.
So do you think it's going to work?
I think so, yeah. No. So if you're thinking about purchasing one for your E36, it will not work because the alarm will not function with that
mirror. If it's got no bubble on it, will work as well. And if you know
of a mirror, an auto dipping mirror which will work
with this alarm system on an E36, then let us know in the comment section below.
Oh please, yeah.
But until next time, that's how you'd fit one to your E36 if it didn't have an alarm.
But sadly, it doesn't work on ours, so we'll be coming back out again.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.